Hey guys, what's up? I'm doing a follow up on Sunday night. Just want to look at crypto. We'll do a little bit of cycle work here. Maybe look at a few alts. I just did an update on commodities and global macro commodities, equities, bonds, and then I hit on forex. So now we'll do crypto. Real quick, if you hadn't seen the other videos, I'll just want to mention real briefly here. New live trading room starting next week. So I've been working on hooking this software up for, the last 3-4 weeks. I'm excited about it. If you guys don't know, before we had real-time alerts room, we had a chat room, we had a live room. I'm bringing it all together in one package. Wow, Aussie yen is really opening up down quite a bit. I might actually have to cover some here on the open. But this is kind of what it'll look like. It's got HD real-time streaming. I can record sessions. So I want to run the crypto, get involved. Crypto guys here in the mornings. Obviously, we'll be a little bit busier around the open trade and equities and kind of the global macro future stuff that we do. But I think you guys are like it. For now, for $100, it's all in one. All right, live room, real-time alerts, push alerts, and there's apps. You can run it on your phone, your iPads. We're giving away iPad Pros now. I put a link here in the description of this video. I'll take you guys through basically these three offers that I've made. I've never done this before. This is the best packages we've ever run. This tells you about the new live room. Here, let me get me out of the way. Oh, shoot. Let's do that. It's a huge amount of value here, guys. About $500 value now, or just for 99 bucks a month. But the packages too. Before each course we sold individually. Now I stacked it all in one comprehensive trading course. It's basically the same price as what the trading model used to be. Doesn't get any better than that. And then here's where I'm giving away iPad Pros. If you join our coaching room, you're going to get a brand new Pi Cycle Trading Secrets course that's coming out. I'm giving away these two books. I talked about misbehavior of markets. Mandelbrot is one of the most influential guys is studying markets and how the fractal nature of them, the dynamic parts of markets. I think that's a book that everybody needs to understand, especially if you want to learn our model. Life After Google is about blockchain. All you guys would be interested in that. I stacked in the courses, 10 group coaching sessions. Before it was 6, and then it was 8. And then I put in 3 bonuses. So we're going to have the Pro Trading Room app, and I'm going to, when I send you to your iPad, you're going to have all these pre-downloaded 20 hand-put videos, coaching, live trading sessions that we've had the past few years, or coaching sessions, and then you'll have all the trading model and courses. So 70-page model, trading model, a 60-page Forex course, 114-page option stuff. You can see some of the testimonials. So guys, you go through all that. It's about $12,000 of value with bonuses. I'm doing it at a 50% discount. Traditionally, that's where I think I'm going to price it at least the next couple months. And then I'm going to have a webinar price that I just opened up to you guys here now for $49.97. You get all that. I've never done any trading package like that. It's basically $500 more than what we used to do the full access coaching team 2 years ago, and it was like 6 sessions and then the live room, and that was about it. So anyway, you guys can find the link to that if you're on my Twitter at the Jason Jenkins. We have I pinned it there also. You should follow me on Twitter anyway. I'll be on there a lot more. All right, so the cycles. This was really interesting on Bitcoin. So we've talked a lot about how the market actually turned with the longer term wave here in April, almost exactly with the wave that we've had, the wave that we have drawn from the highs up at 20,000, 19,000, 8.6 month cycle lower, and now we've cycled back up, and we had a turning point where the market actually exploded right on the actual turn. So this real money candle here in April was basically exactly in line with the peak of the wave. So what that means is that we broke out with the peak of the cycle. That's the cycle inversion. So that's very bullish as far as this wave, that we could we could have a bull cycle potentially all the way until the cycle bottoms out next year. So it's tough to call that far out, but that was pretty amazing that we turned there. So that could definitely be something that plays out. Now, what you want to see in the meantime is how do we respond on this wave and this wave. These are shorter term cycle trading cycles. Okay, but from here, the market started to break out, and then we did have a turning point here at the end of April, and it didn't produce any type of damage or a lower low. So it makes me think that we can still rally. This rally, which we've liked and been bullish since April, can continue into June is the next major wave. All right, and then we want to see where, now that's just from a time perspective. Now notice the next turning point here is May 15th on the smaller wave, and that's going to coincide with whether or not we can actually puncture and break out through the major long-term level that's keeping this that's keeping this bear market intact. So when we talk different durations, there's a long-term bear market that we've been in. All right, and the lower highs that have been dominating that it's all right here at this 6,000, 6,300 area. And so until the market can give me weekly, monthly closes, daily closes above this shelf, which is where we broke down from back in November, that's what we want to watch. So can the market rally here into this next turning point? And then whether or not the market can get through that price point, then it's a much easier call to add, stay long, be more aggressive for a move into the mid part of summer. All right. Doesn't mean now this doesn't mean if you break out here that the price goes to this point on the chart. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying it's just from a timing perspective. If we get above 6, then the market can rally into the next turning point there, which again is the end of June. Anyway, all right. So I hope that makes sense to some of you. If we flip over here now to the let's clear off the cycles. There's not much to say other than we like being long Bitcoin. It's kind of been dominating again. The alts have been a little bit softer. It's its dominance has been rising, and it's sucking up all the capital, which tends to happen. I still think we're going to push to 6,000. I don't think you want to. I think you'll be making a mistake if you try to pay too close of attention to 6,000. This is a whole area. This is a range. The market could trade up as high as 6,800 before it finds resistance. So it's going to take time, and you got to give this. You can't just say, "Oh, we're above 6,000 by 50 points," and then call it a breakout. This is a huge shelf of resistance. All right, so I like being long. I want to take profits. You can even put offers, staggered here on the upside to take a little bit of profit. And then notice how you had a good pullback here with the cycle, and then we rallied 3, 4, 5 days. So I like taking some profit into this zone, and then let's see how we trade. If we get a pullback, then we'll add back to it. I'm not really impressed by Ethereum's pretty sideways to me. I liked how Litecoin kind of started the rally first here in February. It held the bands. It was pretty low on the cycle. If you guys added here, congrats. Make sure you take some profit into 90. But everything is still bullish. Cardano, my most recent action was I added on this pullback. All right, the cycle is still pretty low. So here's my ads after taking some profit. I still want to be core long, and I'm not worried about this position unless it would trade all the way back below 4 cents. I mean, I'm just going to add to it and time it up with the cycles. This is all still bullish. So let's just check a couple others here. Binance. This has been obviously one of the best crypto assets on the planet. It's done nothing wrong. I still like being core long, which we are. You can add and reduce around your daily cycle. And I would get a little bit heavier, guys, if we get into the teens. So don't want to be chasing, never want to chase new highs. There's plenty of people that chase probably 22, 23, 24. We were taking profit up there. All right, so look for the bands where you would want to put some bigger pieces on. EOS kind of looks a little bit like Cardano. Held the bands here. Still bullish. Everything looks good. I'm bullish. We'll stay core long. Take profit, guys, if we move. If Bitcoin and some of these markets continue to rally here in the daily cycles, we'll just trim a little bit of profit, stay long, and we'll just keep adding and reducing. And then we can make the call if it lines up with the cycles, and if we get daily, weekly, and monthly closes above, that's kind of like 7,000, that we might be in a new bull market longer term. We're in an intermediate term bull market, but we have multi-duration, so but we're bullish overall. It's been a pretty good couple months here for crypto, so let's hope it continues. All right, guys, I'll see some of you in the morning. Just a reminder, come join us. Sign up for the $100 membership. It doesn't get cheaper than that. I mean, the same type of edges and cover and analysis and directional trading. I mean, we got institutions would charge $500,000 to have that same kind of coverage. $100 a month, you can't. It's less than cost of cable. So just get in there, sign up. I'll put the description and the link below. And then if you guys are interested in any of those other offers, just let me know, and we'll get you signed up.